Hi, my name is Lama, and as a professional nurse, my responsibility is not only to watch over my patients' physiological needs, but also to take care of their overall well-being. The V6CO Hi baby fetal sounder, an at-home fetal Doppler, helps pregnant women achieve reduced anxiety and peace of mind by allowing them and their loved ones to listen and monitor their expected child's heartbeat. Being able to feel the presence of your unborn child both strengthens the precious bond you share with your unborn child and can create an incredible experience for your partner and family. Fleeting moments like these can turn into memories that last for a lifetime. Giving everyone a peace of mind is what we really strive for. If you're wondering if home ultrasound machines like this one are safe, the answer is yes, they are safe. And it's important to always follow your doctor guidelines for your specific circumstances. If you have questions, always ask them. This easy-to-use at-home fetal Doppler is designed to work with women who are at least 12 weeks pregnant. The older the fetus is, the easier it is to find the heartbeat. It's worth noting that not hearing the baby's heartbeat right away does not mean that the device is not working properly or that your baby is not okay. Even experienced healthcare workers sometimes find it hard to identify the heartbeat if the baby is not in the most optimal position. Take your time. Treat this as a pleasant experience or even a hide-and-seek game between you and your baby. In order to locate the fetus's heartbeat, the first step would be to make sure that the pregnant woman is lying on her back in a relaxing and calm environment. The next step would be to locate her pubic bone area. Then use one of the included ultrasound gel called Gelixir. Made from 100% natural ingredients, our gel will facilitate the heartbeat's detection by reducing static interference. A little bonus here is that this Gelixir also helps with hydration where you need it most. Apply a generous amount of gel on the skin and on the probe like this. Then transition progressively to the belly. Start by listening to the different sounds picked up by the Doppler, either through the inbuilt speaker or by plugging your own earphones into the headphone jack located on the left side of the device. This part might be confusing because it is easy to mix up the mother's heartbeat and the fetus's. An easy tip to help you distinguish between the two is by paying attention to the rate on the screen. A fetus's heart rate is rhythmical and faster than a mother's. The expected child's heart rate usually falls between 130 and 160 beats per minute, while a normal person's heartbeat falls between 60 and 100. So, no need to panic if your baby's heart rate is much higher than yours. And as always, if you have questions, ask your doctor or OBGYN. Keep in mind that you're most likely to hear the fetus's heartbeat while lying on your back. But if you are having a hard time, then consider switching to another comfortable position or take a break. Go take a walk and try again. There are any number of reasons why you may not hear your baby's heartbeat, generally from how the baby is positioned, head down, head up, facing forward or backwards. It all has an impact. Finally, please take note that even though the V6CO Fetal Doppler is a great and a precise device, it should not be treated as a substitute of a doctor checkup and a professional opinion.